Yeah, it's not mysterious at all. It's quite straightforward. The only thing you have to look at before you do any sort of job like that is try and decide what sort of glue is being used to put the thing together. The one sort of glue which is an absolute dead end to any sort of repair is Araldite. Araldite can't be softened, it can't be heated, you can heat it to the point of burning it and it'll still stay gripped. If you've got Araldite on a job, there's nothing you can do with it. Anything else, basically any glue will give way to heat. It'll either give way to wet heat with steam or dry heat. This kind of glue was a rubber based glue that gives way to dry heat. So all you do, especially easier when you've got an instrument which didn't have any binding on, which like this one didn't have any binding on, so the joint is accessible. If it had binding on, you have to remove that, and then it's the same. You need a parting knife, which isn't very attractive, but this is...
It looks like a paper stripping knife. Is that similar sort of thing?
Started off as that. The difference is that you round off the two corners so it doesn't dig in, that they're quite smooth.
Yeah.
And you grind a very, very fine angled rebate. That's not the right word. What's the word anyway? Angle on one side and then flat on the other side. So it's actually very sharp, but it's a very thin blade as opposed to something like a chisel.
Yeah.
Okay. Call that a parting knife. What you then do is, if you're worried about burning the guitar or the Cuatro or anything like that at all, you don't put any heat on the instrument, you put heat on the knife. You use hot air gun or something similar, something that'll give you a constant source of heat. It doesn't have to be red hot, it just has to be uncomfortable to the touch, basically, is the point you want to get to. If it gets any hotter than that, then you will start to burn things. You don't want to do that. So you just hold the blade of your knife in the steam of the heat of the air gun, of the hot air gun, and when you've got it there, you simply slide it into the join and it will give way and the knife will go.